Ready, go.
Roses and bees. Look, the mossy the roses. Look at lots of roses. Look at a huge face. Look right a bike. Look takes the vase of roses. Look see grandma. Look raise at grandma. Look hands the vase of roses to grandma. I like roses. Look, a bee is on my rose. A bee is on your nose too. I like roses and bees. Look, ha ha ha. Big game. Mice and dogs have a big game in June. The mice and dogs play in the lawn. The mice and dogs play a long time. It is 9 to 9. Jude is up last. Jude hit the ball. The dogs cannot catch the ball. Jude races it fast. Run, Jude, run. Jude is so fast. I cannot see his feet. Jude takes the base. Jude races it to home base. The mice win the game. Jude pulls it the mice in line. Form photo. There is grandma. She is in a red dress. Grace takes a photo of grandma. There is grandpa. He is in black dresses. Grace takes a photo of grandpa. There is Spot the cat. She is in the grass. Spot is black and white. Spot has white whiskers. Spot slips and slides. Grace cannot take a nice photo. Spot spins and spins. Grace cannot take a nice photo. Grandma grabs the cat. Grandpa grins at Grace. Grace takes a photo of them. It is the best photo. Lake camp. A long black truck stops at the lake. Mom, Dad, and the kids can camp at the lake. Mom and Dad sit. The kids pick up the trash. The kids swing and jump in the lake. Mom and Dad stand on the grass. The kids swim in the lake. Mom and Dad catch lots of fish. Mom and Dad grill the fish. The kids bring plates. The sun sets on the lake. Mom, Dad, and the kids have fun at the lake.
Okay, good.